Hello, and thank you all so much for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. As you can tell from the thumbnail, do not throw away all those boxes. You can use those to create some really simple, fun storage for your home that's budget friendly. So I have this large box. This was from a delivery, possibly Amazon. I'm not sure. With Christmas, we had so many leftover boxes, so I saved a few. I just pushed the tags in, the flaps in, and I'm going to pair with this throw. Now, I did pick this throw up from Walmart a couple of months ago. I was going to use it for a trip that I was going on, and I ended up not using it. So I thought it was perfect because it was budget friendly. And I can use this to cover this box. So you can use fabric or anything that you have that's budget friendly to keep this project budget friendly. And so as you can see, I went in with the I went in and flip the throw over on the opposite sides first, and I'm doing the other ends. And I'm not going to tack anything down. I'm not going to cut down any of the extra fabric. You can, but I'm just going to make sure that I sort of place everything in there nicely, and I'm going to just cover the bottom with a piece of the throw, and that way it's easy to switch out if I want to switch out the pattern. And to keep everything in place, I'm going around this box a few times using some of this jute twine. I hope everyone had a fantastic Christmas, and I just want to say Happy New Year. I'm so excited for the new year and sharing with you some new ideas that I have. And I want to say thank you all so much for supporting me this year and all of the past years, and I'm so excited, and I hope you all hang around with me for the new year. So now I have this blessed tag from the Dollar Tree, and before I tied the knot with the jute cord on the box, I'm going to loop each end through that opening on the tag, and then I'm going to take the end and I'm going to wrap it around all of those pieces of jute cord and then tie my knot. That's going to secure my tag on my box. And it's also going to just secure this jute twine onto the box, and everything is nice and secure. I'm going to clip down the excess cord, and that is it. I have a beautiful box that I can store my extra throws in, and it was budget friendly and easy to do. After watching this video, check the description box below for the link to my sweet friend May channel from Craft Away with May. She's going to bring you some ideas using these cardboard boxes as well. So don't forget to tell my friend hello, Happy New Year. And if you're coming over from her channel, welcome. And I'm going to jump into this next cardboard box hack. And so I found this box, and I don't remember what was delivered in this one as well, but I like the shape of it because I wanted to create like a drawer for one of my shelves near my coffee bar, and I thought perfect size. But I am going to cut off the flaps on these. And that's another thing about using these cardboard boxes. If you have a space in your home or something that you needed just the perfect size for, try grabbing a cardboard box. And so I picked up 3 packs of these wood planks from the Dollar Tree, and there are 6 wood planks in each pack. And so for the first square ones, I want to use these for the inside and the bottom because I do want to make this cardboard box become a little bit more sturdier. And I'm just going to use some hot glue to attach these. The fun creative thing about using cardboard boxes is, as I mentioned, different sizes and shape, just things that you may need, and that box may be the perfect shape because this one definitely was for what I wanted to use it for. And so I'm just going to make sure that these are nice and secure in the inside, so when I'm storing things in here, it's nice and sturdy. So now I'm going to take those same 3, the other 3, because it's 6 in a pack, I'm sorry, and I'm going to hot glue those to the bottom. Now I am going to take 4 out of a pack, and I'm just going to cut them down a little bit so that they can fit on these sides. So I'm just going to use my miter box and saw to cut 4 of them down. Once I get that complete, those are little pieces that I had that I cut it down. I'm now going to add these to the sides, and I'm also going to add them in the inside. But the other ones, they're perfect for the side. As you can see, I'm just going to place these on each end, and then I'll go in the inside and place them in the inside, and I'm just making this piece more sturdier. And I really love that I only used 3 pack of these planks, and that was enough to make this turn out to be perfect for the space that I needed to use it in. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and add my last short piece in the inside, and then I can take the remaining ones and I'm going to add those on the sides and on the inside. And as you can see, this is how it's looking so far. And the other planks I'm just going to leave as is and just place them on the side. But I want to make sure that I place them where they're spaced out so that they can look like a drawer, if that makes sense. But you'll see what I mean at the end. So I'm just going to place that down. I'm now on the other side, placing that one on, and then I'm going to go in the inside. And this really did the trick in making this box become really sturdy, and it actually gave me an idea for another project that I want to do using cardboard boxes. I also want to say, I know I mentioned, but I am partnering up with my sweet friend May from Craft Away with May to bring you some cardboard box DIY hacks. So don't forget, after watching my video, if you can please do me a huge favor, check the description box below for a link to her channel, and please tell my sweet friend May that I said hello. And if you're coming over from May's channel, thank you for stopping by. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy New Year, and I hope everyone had a fantastic holiday season. So now that I'm going to add my last wood plank, now I am going to be using some of this caramel color spray paint, and I had the spray paint for a while. I was using it in the fall. I picked it up from Walmart. I absolutely love this color, and so I'm going to use this to spray paint this entire piece. Once I get that complete, I do want to distress the front of it a little bit, so I'm using this cafe color paint, and I'm just going to distress around the planks in the front. I'm going around the ends, and then I'm going to go over it just a little bit. And this was just enough touch of color that I needed, but I did take a little filing file and just distressed around those wood planks a little bit to just bring back its natural color. As you can see, I'm just using a file. That's what I had handy. Now, the Dollar Tree had these cute little arrow stickers, and I didn't have these for a while too, but they're always in the Dollar Tree. And I just thought this is the touch that I need for these. And so they are self-adhesive on the back, but I did use some hot glue to get a little bit more permanent hold, because I didn't know how well those the sticky backs were held up, and I do want to keep everything intact. So I'm just going to line these little arrows up facing each other. I really absolutely love those little wood arrows, and you can paint them. I thought they were so cute. And that is it. This fit perfect on a shelf over my coffee bar, and I absolutely love it. It just gave me extra storage to store things in, and they won't be exposed. Absolutely love it. Now I have this little box, and I think this little light that I ordered came in this box, but I loved it. I thought it was perfect because I wanted to create a little trinket box to hold my essential oils. And I have these little pearl stickers here from the Dollar Tree. They come in several different colors, but it don't matter the color because I am going to be painting over these if I can ever get into the package. You know, like I was struggling there. And so this project was really easy, and it made this little box turn out so cute. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm just going to start on the back, and what I'm going to do is add these strips right next to each other, and I'm going to cover this entire box. So as you can see, I'm going to go all the way around. First, I'm going to do a row at a time, and then I'm going to continue off where I left off, and I'm going to go around, and when I meet the other piece on the other side, I'm gonna clip it off because I do want to make sure that I have some kind of format. So I want to go each row at a time. So once I place that down, Then I'm going to continue on with another strip, and for this little box I believe I used 3 packs of these little pearl stickers. And so I'm just going to go around and I'm going to continue to do this until I have this portion of it complete. And no, I think I used a total of 4. Yes. And so now I'm going in with the last piece to finish off the sides. And now I am going to go and complete the bottom part of this box using the same technique. And so I'm just going to clip that off with some scissors. And if I spray, like, you can leave this, you don't have to spray paint these pearl stickers if you like them. If you want to leave them go, I would just recommend you spray paint or paint your box to cover up all of those words and stickers and stuff first. And so now I'm just going to go over the other portions of the box, and I'm going to start with the bottom, and then I'll do that top part. And I'm just going to go right along the side. Go right along the bottom, and then take the other strip that I clipped off and just go right next to that. And once I get that complete, as you can see, I'm now working on the lid part, and I'm going to continue that portion until I have that covered. This project was super simple. So once I get the entire box covered, this is how it looked. I am going to go in with some of this hunter green spray paint, give it one good coat, and that is it. I have the cutest little trinket box to store my little essential oils in. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. I hope you enjoyed your holiday season. I'm so excited for the new year. I still can't believe we are at 2025. Thank you all so much for riding with me all of this time. I am just so grateful. Don't forget also, I'm teaming up with May, my dear friend May, one of my sweet friends that I met here on this platform. She is absolutely a darling. Thank you, May, so much for always putting up with my shenanigans and joining me in these fun collabs. It's always a joy. Her information is going to be in the description box below. It's just a click away from some more inspiration. Happy New Year, everyone. May God bless you, you and your family. Stay safe, and I will see you in the 2025.